To allow apps from unknown sources on a Fire TV stick, start by navigating to the home screen using the home button on your remote control. From there, scroll to the right and select the gear icon. Then choose My Fire TV. Next, select Developer Options, which can be found just below the About option. If you don't see Developer Options, you'll need to enable it by selecting About, then choosing your Fire TV stick model. It may be listed as Fire TV Stick, Fire TV Stick Lite, or Fire TV Stick 4K, and selecting it 7 times. Once Developer Options are enabled, select the Back button, return to Developer Options, and choose Install Unknown Apps. With this setting enabled, when you attempt to install an unknown application, you'll be given the option to grant the app permission to install. By following these steps, you can successfully allow apps from unknown sources on your Fire TV stick.